Break ID number 5469. 2018 Plates and Patches Football 2-box break. Go. Kenton SM with a free spot, who is brand new. Kenton, since you're brand new, that money is in your account right now. Do whatever you want with it. Matt Ryan. Alan Hearns /30. Super short print rookie. Holy cow. Jumbo patch. Sam Darnold. That's from here to here. That's /15. Jets, Rick, VI. RPA /99, DJ Moore. Carolina, Eric, RB. And the plate, Alejandro Villanueva. Pittsburgh. Kenton SM. Awesome, Keith. Out of which product? David Njoku /99. Nelson Aguilar /30. Check this out. Triple patch /40. Kareem Hunt, Patrick Mahomes, Tyreek Hill. 4 of 40. The fourth plates and patches break is sold out, and the next one is up there. That is Kansas City. Fernando, VI. Oh, out of this. Oh, awesome. Autoed too. Obviously, if it's a redemption. Our two-color RPA /99, Dante Pettis. '49ers. Eric, RB. And the plate, not bad. Aaron Rodgers. Green Bay. Steve, ST.